What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Entertainment. So there is this issue of the photo of Bongani Ntanzi that is being presented in court, and it's raising so many concerns on the part of the defense with regards to authenticity issues, because the defense is saying these photos, they do not accurately represent Bongani Ntanzi, and also at the same time, they're claiming that the images have been altered or manipulated. At the same time, the defense was also talking about editing technologies, that can change faces and photos to match somebody else, which can lead to wrongful convictions, But this image of Bongani Ntanzi, if you look at it, it's a sketch image. Someone drew that, right? And yes, it's a referenced image of Bongani Ntanzi as a sketch rather than a photograph. So obviously sketches can sometimes be used in court to represent individuals, when photographs are not there. But obviously there will be concerns about accuracy, reliability. But the biggest issue that I have, with this sketch image is that it's being brought now. It's being presented now when everybody has already seen Bongani Ntanzi. It makes it very difficult, to believe in this image. But if it was drawn, soon after the incident in 2014, like that of Zamohle Mbata, then yes, we can be onto something with that image. But this one of Bongani Ntanzi that is coming out just now is very, very difficult, to give credibility to this image, at least on my part, because we've seen Bongani Ntanzi in court over and over and over and over again. Then this sketch image pops up. It's very hard, but that's why there is this back and forth in courtroom between the defense and the state, and the defense is pushing back and saying, no, you can't present this. So this is where the issue is at. But if the image, this sketch, had come out soon after the incident in 2014, then there wouldn't have been much of a problem. So this gives, a headache for the judge on how to weigh this one. But because of the issues surrounding this sketch image, it's going to carry less weight because it's coming up late. It's coming late after Bongani Ntanzi has already been arrested. So the weight of that image, with regards to it, evidence wise, it's going to carry less weight, at least from what I'm seeing. I'll catch you guys on the